Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Tesla video. In today's video, we're going to install mud flaps on a Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm definitely going to film a vlog about it. And when I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'll film a tutorial. If I ever have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture, I'll film those too. And of course, if I'm ever doing anything with my Tesla Model 3, I'll share those videos with you too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So a few months ago, I had a service appointment with Tesla to fix a squeaky suspension problem, which they did do under warranty, so that was excellent. But they also threw a box of mud flaps into the trunk of the car and said that it was a free upgrade and I could book another appointment to install them. Well, needless to say, they've been sitting on the shelf for the past 3 months. I got the winter tires put on, so it's time to install these guys. Now, there's kind of two options with them. You can put them on like this, which is this piece, or you can put this piece into here and put them on like that. But that gives almost zero clearance to the road, so I am not going to be using these pieces. I'm just going to install these ones today. So you're going to need a few different tools to install these. First is a small screwdriver to pop those tabs off, pliers if you need it. Second is a pair of scissors, because you're going to have to cut a tab off under here. And then you're going to need a star tip, a Robinson screwdriver. And what I've done here is I put a bit kind of in this socket so that I can get a right angle, just to make things a little bit easier. And that's it. Let's get to the install. For step 1, using your flathead screwdriver, you want to remove these clips completely from the fender. For step number 2, you want to pry this tab open and remove the bolt from underneath the tab. Once the bolt is removed, you want to cut the tab off with a pair of scissors to completely remove it from the vehicle. Once you have the area all cleaned up, it's time to install the included clips to the underside panel of the vehicle. Once you have the new clips in place, you can clip the underside panel back into place. After that's complete, it's time to install the mud flap by snapping the bottom piece in first and then lining up the top 2 screws. Complete the installation by tightening the included hardware. And on the bottom of the vehicle, reinsert the bolt that was removed from the previous step. Tighten the bolt snugly with a ratchet. And as you can see, we have a nice, clean, tight installation to the body panel of the vehicle. Well, that was a pretty simple install, and I've been told by Tesla and the internet that that should help with any future rust issues. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below and hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.